Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade instant ramen noodles. We are going to add vegetables, beef, sauce it up, and top it off with Parmesan cheese. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. And here are the ingredients you are going to need. Ramen noodles, ground beef, I'm using 85/15. Onion, homemade pasta sauce, mushrooms, broccoli, garlic, olive oil, black pepper, and kosher salt. Let's get started. Heat olive oil in a large skillet, then add onions and saute them until they are soft. Saute the onions for 3 minutes, then add mushrooms and minced garlic. Continue to saute for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, transfer the mushrooms and onions into a small bowl and set aside. Next, heat large skillet over medium-high heat. Add ground beef. Cut it into small bite-sized chunks. Season with salt and black pepper. And cook the meat until it's no longer pink. As soon as the ground beef is well browned, add broccoli and continue to cook for 2 minutes. Then add mushrooms and onions. Cook for 3 minutes, stirring frequently. After 3 minutes, add pasta sauce. Stir well, lower the heat to medium-low, and simmer for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, bring a large pot of water to a boil. Break noodles in half, add it to the boiling water and cook for 2 minutes. Drain and rinse well with cold water. After rinsing the noodles, add them back into the saucepan. Add the ground beef mixture. Toss to coat. Reduce heat to medium. Cover with the lid and cook until heated through. There you have it, guys. Skillet ramen noodle toss, topped with Parmesan cheese. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and please leave a comment. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.